the source. Remember what his name was? Curveball. Aptly named Curveball. He actually lied to the U.S. and said this tsunami had WMDs.
What?
And then when he didn't, he said, oh, no,
What,
I
honey?
made that up because I wanted to do
What the
his
matter?
job. So listen, I don't know if this actor is
What do you
intelligent.
want?
I'm open-minded. We don't know. And I do know this, that he will benefit from this leak.
Come on.
The Democrats politically, the New York Times financially,
Hurry up.
Russia geopolitically.
I can't walk very good because of my legs, so hurry up. What do you want? You want to see? You want to see if? How about we see if if baby girl wants to come in? You want to try that? Let's see if baby wants in. You want to come in? Well, come on. Hurry. Well, I'm sorry. I didn't make you go out there. Did I? That was your idea. That was your idea. You wanted to go. I didn't make you go, did I? Did I make you go outside? No, I did not. I didn't make you go out. You wanted to go out all by yourself. Yes, you did. All by yourself. Eat some crunchies. Eat some crunchies. Eat some crunchies. You can eat crunchies if you're hungry.